I'm Ben Bogie. We're on site today at an ultra-modern, high-performance home that my company is constructing. Part of the program directive for this house is that it has to hit very rigorous airtightness standards. In order for us to hit those numbers, we do blower door guided air sealing. We'll then go downstairs into the basement to investigate any penetrations through the envelope there, and then we'll head outside to look at some of the continuous insulation we have. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our blower door to pressurize the building, and we'll use theatrical smoke and fog to find some of these air leakage pathways that we can't easily just see with our eyes. So we know we have some areas to address around the curtain wall. In order to address these, we're going to use the window and door Tite Foam so that it doesn't expand too much and distort any of the components that are part of the assembly. And one of the things that I really like about this straw is that it allows me to get the foam deep into these assemblies so that I can seal really well versus just doing a surface seal. We're down here in the basement and you can see we have a number of penetrations into our building here. We have a primary gasket around these conduits, but we like to come in again with a layer of Tite Foam to make sure that we have a really redundant and effective seal. So in these locations, we've chosen Tite Foam gap and crack because we're less than a 1-inch total gap that we're trying to fill. And something that you can be aware of in areas that are difficult to bond to materials or low temperature, low humidity, you can add a little bit of moisture to the equation and that'll help it bond better and it'll speed up your curing time. Now we're outside of the building and we're addressing the continuous insulation of our project here. Before we do any of our applications, we want to go over and get any loose debris and dust off of the surface. The continuous insulation on the outside of the building allows us to deliver a building that is durable, healthy, and energy efficient. If we don't pay attention to sealing these locations, then we can have accumulations of moisture and air movement through them. So we want to pay close attention to making sure that our spaces are filled and we have no missing areas. After this foam cures, we're going to come back and cut it off flush so that our next pieces will fit in tightly. One of the reasons we turn to Tite Foam is the fact that it stays elastic over time, which we trust is going to give us the most lasting and durable installation we can get.